Hey guys, what's going on? Today I just wanted to unbox my brand new Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. I just got it. It came about 20 minutes ago, so let's see what we got here. I've been waiting for this tablet forever now. Well, you guys know what date it is. Today is the 15th of April, and I ordered it on February 20th, I believe. February 22nd, maybe? Yeah, it was February 22nd when I ordered this. So, just a little while. But it came, so here she is. Wow, so thin. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so thin. It's as thin as the Galaxy Tab S6. How do they do that? That's so cool. Ooh, there she is. God, look how thin that is. I swear, it's just, I think it's thinner than my Tab S6. Yeah, it is. It's thinner than my Tab S6. Wow. Let me pull it out of the case real quick so you guys can see it. You guys can see that, right? The Tab S8 Ultra is thinner than the S6. Wow. That's cool. I will be releasing a couple more videos on this thing, so stay tuned. And please guys, if you would like and subscribe, it really helps a smaller channel like mine if you guys like and subscribe to me. Thanks. I'll see you guys next time.